So I use this video to explain the consolidated account. If you check your stock inventory, the first page here now are stocks on your system, and when you look at this, it shows you the number of stock not uploaded. Then when this one finishes loading, it will show you the number of stock not yet downloaded. So you can see this is inventory on your PC, this is inventory on my PC and on other PCs. Then with the consolidated report, you can see all the inventory from other PC and from your PC, from including your own PC and other PCs. So which means if you have maybe 20 different locations, all the stocks are going to be here. Then meanwhile, this one contains the stock for your own system alone. The reason why I prefer this consolidated report is that it shows you breakdown. Let's take Coke for example. If we are using Coke, if I double click on Coke, then here I can see that I only have 60 pieces of Coke here. If I had more Coke, if I click on it again, it shows me a breakdown of the particular Coke that was recorded, like the breakdown of that 60. So which means we only recorded 60 Coke once as an inventory, and I can double click on it to see the invoice. If I double click on this now, it shows me the invoice. Then here we have, I can click on the new inventory to add more Coke. Let's say we are adding 10 Coke to this. And I post it, record posted. So if I come to this inventory page now and I take consolidated report and I take Coke is now 70, but if I double click on it, I can now have the breakdown of what makes up that 70. Likewise, if I'm selling from this Coke, let's say I'm selling 5 from this Coke, then we should have 65 left. Then I go to the sales page, I pick 5 quantity and I pick the description Coke. Pay cash. If I go back to the stock level consolidated report, then you can see that Coke is now 65. But if I double click on it, it shows me the total sales on this Coke and the total inventory ever recorded on this sales on this Coke. If I had one more item to this, oops, I mistakenly closed the if I'm adding one more item to this, one more sales to this, let's say I'm adding 2 Coke to this, then I click pay cash. If I go back to the consolidated report and I choose Coke, if I double click on Coke is now 63, but the breakdown of why this Coke is 63 is the fact that total sales is 7 and total recorded inventory ever on this Coke is 70. So if I double click on this, I can see the Coke, the breakdown of the Coke that I added, and if I double click on it, I could see the receipt, the invoice. So this is the sales invoice for the Coke, for the 2 Cokes. These are the sales invoice. Then also, this is the inventory ever recorded on the sales on the Coke. And when you double click on it as well, it shows you the breakdown. If you double click on this too, it shows you the breakdown. So now, I think that would be all for now. Also, if you are trying to delete anything from the inventory, you can go double click on this. I could decide to delete one of the sales if I have access to do so. I just right click and click on delete. Successfully deleted. So then I could come down here to check list of deleted item, view deleted sales, or view deleted stock. So if you double click on this again and you take this, if I'm deleting the stock, I could decide to delete this 10. Then here I could get the list of deleted stock from this. And that will be the end for this video. Thank you.